who has everything. So if he doesn't remember others with favors, nobody would have anything whatsoever. The natural outcome of Ghani, the natural corollary of somebody's being Ghani is that everything should flow from him to others. So if he doesn't care for others in the ordinary sense of caring, then nobody would be left with anything whatsoever. Because he possesses everything, he is the master of everything, he doesn't depend on anybody's favors, so then he should remember anybody. But out of his mercy, out of his grandeur, he bestows things to others. So he is Ghani, everybody else is dependent on him, and he is not dependent on anybody else. I don't see comprehension in your eyes.
I'll rephrase the question next week. Let me think about it. May I ask one question to me? Sorry about that, yeah. It was not fully prepared question. This question is from Surah Araf.
Yes.
There is a verse, verse number 175 to 77. I'll read the translation and could you kindly explain? And we relate to them the story of a person to whom we gave our sign, but he stepped away from them. So Satan followed him up, and he became one of those who go astray. And if we had pleased, we would have exalted him thereby, but he inclined to the earth, and he followed his evil desires. His case is like the case of a thirsty dog. If you drive him away, he hangs out his tongue, and if you leave him, he hangs out his tongue. Such is the case of who disbelieves our signs. So what I want to know is, could you kindly explain who is the person about whom Allah is talking here?
Allah is not named him here, but it is said that he was Ballam Baur. The name Ballam Baur is quite notorious in the Muslim world. And a person named Ballam Baur is supposed to have been considered a wali, a saint, by people of his time for a while. Then he was put to trial by God, and he left Allah for the sake of Satan and turned to the worldly of things and chose materialism to religion. This is what the Holy Quran refers to without naming some such a person. And when Allah does not want to name anybody, among other things it may mean that this is just an illustration which would apply to many such situations in everyday life. So whoever falls into the category of this description would be in fact addressed by this verse. So it's a great warning.
So this can apply to Abu Jahl as well.
Yeah.
This can apply to Abu Jahl as well.
Anyone, I have told you, maybe I said Vishandalya bane hai, he is not green tea, light green tea. Yeah, some medicine has been added.
How can a person who has seen signs of Allah suddenly becomes like Satan? This
How can he?
Yes.
I don't know.
So this I'm asking because Hazrat Masih Maud has written in his book, जब तक इंसान की फितरत में सादत और मुनासबत पैदा ना हो, ईमान पैदा नहीं होता. he has achieved that status of having Iman, and ayat.
What do you mean? What do you understand by the verse "Oman yartadda minkum an dinihi"? Whoever. The Holy Quran speaks of irtidad, that is renegation, turning away from one's religion, changing one's religion. So oftenly, and warns us against this. Do not turn your back to Islam once you have accepted it. So who are those people? If they had never accepted it in the beginning, then Allah should have addressed them to be once believers who are no longer believers. Wa alaikum warahmatullah.
Sir, I have observed in connection with Tariq Jadid, a list is prepared of those people who contribute over and above a certain limit to be presented to Hazur for prayer.
Saki sahab kithe gaya, sir, interpreter? Yes, please, could you kindly continue, please? Have you asked your question, or is there a part of it left? I'm asking the lady who just asked me a question, whether you have finished or a part of the question yet remains. No answer? Mubarak, you are playing tricks with the system. Eh?
No, she stopped asking.
Or the system has stopped working perhaps. Because if she is listening to me, she would actually answer me.
I think she stopped asking.
Huh? Stop asking it.
The system is alright.
What?
The system is alright.
The system is alright? The ladies are listening to my voice, they hear me clearly? You think so?
Last night, you were hearing your voice, but they were not able to convey their voice to you.
But now it has gone the other way around, I suppose. Because nobody is responding to what I'm saying.
I suspect, sir, the same thing is happening now. They probably
The other way around, yes, exactly. So, Mubarak, find out. So the question, what was the question? You understand?
Yes, I understood that she said that I understand that lists are being prepared about for those people who are paying contribution of Tariq-e-Jadid above certain limits to be presented to Huzur for special prayers. I think she is referring to Mujahideen Safi Awwal and Safi Thawm.
I don't know anything about it. You know.
Yes, there is instruction from Tariq-e-Jadid that the people who are paying more than £100
Yes.
and £200, they should be categorized as Mujahideen Safi Awwal and Thawm.
Yes.
And then it is stated in
Yes, it is. You're right there. This system does exist, but it doesn't mean much in reality.
just a sort of encouragement.
Just a way of getting more money from Jamaat. But personally, I am not in favor of such things, because this is no criterion for anything. Because some people are rich and some are poor. And if a poor person can only pay £50, that would be even greater perhaps in the eyes of Allah than a very rich man who pays £10,000. It's all a comparative thing. Allah knows best who has offered money with what noble sentiments and with what pure devotion. So He is the judge. So these things do not mean anything to me whatsoever. Only they mean something to Tehreek-e-Jadid's department, which wants to improve her standing as compared to the previous year. And they think by doing this, they would increase the total amount of total collection. So that does not throw any reflection on such people either who participate in this scheme, because the bait given to them is a pious bait anyway. They tell them that if you reach this standard, a list will be presented to Khalifatul Masih with a special request